Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vinaya and this is Piyush. In this session or in this lecture we are going to talk about nested rules or nested styles. So what do you mean by nested rules? Nested rules are nothing but if you want a CSS or a class or a ID or a tag to be nested one of another, so you use nested rules. So how do you do that? Now what I'll do is I have this nested rules already been done. Okay, so I'll just delete this. Now let's say I have this CSS with me as of now, and I'll just save this file. I'll come out here and I'll copy this and I'll say as nested CSS. If I get it, now I want to create a div and I want to use this one. So nested styles. So I'll say div, write down a div. I'll say class nested styles, and let's say I type something called as nested rules. I'll save this file and I go to Mozilla and I just refresh it. Now here you see this is a nested rules, a div. Now within this I want to have some another tag. Let's see if I have a p tag and I cut this and I'll put it out here and I want to style this p tag. So what you can do is you can use nesting in CSS. Let's say, so use this nesting using this curly braces. You write a CSS within this curly braces. It could be class, it could be ID, it could be anything. So I'll say this p, and let's say I want to have a font size of let's say 25 pixels, and let's say a color to have hash 0000ff, which is something like this. I'll save this file. I once save this file and I come out here and refresh it. So you see this is a blue color nested rules automatically has been applied out here. And when I say nested CSS, when I see this, so it's like it's been nesting it out. Apart from this, let's say one more stuff I want to do. I want to have a span again. Let's say span, and let's say I want to have a font size of let's say span is 50 pixels. And let's say color of let's say hash value ff00, and I'll save this file. I go to index and let's say I want to have a span like that. I'll save this file and I'll refresh it. So you see a span has been applied out here with the 50 pixels here. Now what about if you have something called as ahref hover, or you want to hover it and you want to apply something on styles on hover? So I can do this. I can just have, for hover you need to specify ampersand, and you just have to give a pseudo class hover, and let's say in hover I want to have a color of white. Okay. Save this file, refresh it. As soon as you take this, it turns to white. Do you see this color difference? Rather, I want this way. Let's say now you see this, it's a cyan color. So this is a href hover. Maybe if you want to have a span A, I can also have an A, another nesting out here, and within this I can have an hover. Like this, and let's say on A you want to have as text decoration, text decoration as underline, and here I want it as text decoration as none. I go to index file and let's say it's remember this is within A, within span, right? So what I do is I bring here and I'll say a href, yes, and I'll say span a. Let me give it as a hash as of now, and I refresh it. You see this? This works as a tag. This works as a tag. So guys, this was all about the nesting of CSS, nesting of less, nested rules. If you've liked this video, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something new on this, so please do comment, share, like the page, like the channel. Yeah, thanks so much.